life, we're gonna do an insane tragedy. So we're gonna play this Who Killed JFK meme. So there's a lot of, so there's a few YouTubers who recorded this in this game. So let me try it. So I hope my avatar will be here. So let's read the description. Oh no, JFK just shot. Reach the end of the hobby to see who did it. Update 2024. Thank you, Roblox Topic Indonesian shop for the shout out. They was made in 2020. I didn't know that. So let's go into the game. Okay, so this is the whoa. They added music here. I didn't know this. So let's play this game. I watched this video. Oh no, JFK was not who did it. We need to figure out who shot it. So let's play this one. So I played this game, but I didn't watch the video. So there's this swimming pool. I wonder why there are links. They just didn't copy. So that's not good. They're like, whoa. Is this even? Yeah, I'm just looking. I hope the owner doesn't get mad at me. Well, this is really hard to pass. Let's go. Up and up and up and up and up and that's too close. Oh, I get scared every time I almost die in the game. Why? Why is this so hard? Why is this so hard? Dude, why is this so hard? Bro, my friend joined this game. So let's type in. Avatar should be here. Bye. So let's go on YouTube. Oh wow, I'm also recording. Well, I think this guy's not actually really recording. Oh shoot. Well, this hobby is really hard. I made myself a hobby. It had get checkpoints and this doesn't have. Why is it so hard? So last time I made this hobby, but in the first time, why are there so many people here? I did not make this. So let's go and here we will go down here. Oh god, that was so close. Hope I make it. If I do, I'm gonna be happy. I'm making a video. Bang! Oh my god, why is it so hard? Well, I think I'm a YouTuber too. Oh yeah, hello Chloe. I'm recording too. I'm recording. We all contact creators. So we must go faster. I'm recording. Oh my god, I almost touched the lava. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, I made it. So we have to climb up this ladder. But I know how to climb this ladder. I think we have to go to this part. Dude, really? Why is this ladder so hard? I almost fell. Well, this is a tragic thing. You didn't really know about in this game. No! I think we're gonna go here. Oh god. Why is this ladder so hard? the car John F. Kennedy was, and it looks like the car is from Brookhaven. We cannot drive it though, so let's oh, where's this stolen car? So let's go here. Oh, this tragedy. Oh my god! Timmy, my friend is using the UFO. Oh god. Oh, Timmy, he grew. Yeah, I know he's in Indonesia. Well, don't kidnap him. I'm gonna be scared. We're here. Yes. Quick, the assassin is on the roof. Oh, there's not a basement here. Well, we can go up the stairs. We're almost there now. We're here. That's good. So he was inside of the building, not in the rooftop. I watched some videos of it. So that's really cool. What I did is tragedy. I'm doing it right now. Oh my God. So this is the tragedy. He got assassinated so if I'm not mistaken, he was assassinated in 1963. I think this is the last floor. No, I think this is the last floor. Yes! Good job. We know who killed JFK. Oh, Steve Harvey also. Oh, we got a hat here. Oh yeah, oh there's that last one right. So we're done with in here. So goodbye. So the tragedy finished.